Um, but the Anthony Shafee brought up you say human nutrition science
Yeah.
is is almost impossible to control. You'd have to control every variable, which then you start stepping into ethics questions and whatnot.
I mean,
Um,
it really
he
just to interject just a minute. It's not almost impossible. It's impossible to do to do experiments that there's different types of science. You got experimental science and then you got some observational science, for example. This is a field of science that is not experimental. They pretend like
right,
it is, and that's the problem. Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
So there, Anthony Shafee spoke on two tribes, the Akuyu and the Maasai.
Hmm.
And these two tribes, the Kikuyu was primarily plant-based as far as their nutrition goes, and the Maasai was primarily meat, blood, and dairy.
Yeah.
But their two tribes intermarried, so they went back and
Hmm.
forth.
Yeah.
Um, could that be considered the closest that we could feasibly come to a controlled study? Is there anything that we can withdraw from that that would be beneficial?
A control study with respect to simply the observation that they intermarry. I feel like I need more details on that. Like,
As far as as far as getting as close to we could to them being genotypically and or phenotypically similar enough to where we would be able to draw a theory onto which nutrition catered to differences in specifically their physical appearance. The Maasai was typically taller, they were typically stronger, they typically had better dental health.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, is there anything that we could extrapolate from these two intermarried tribes that would be, I don't want to say legitimate, but I guess kind of legitimate?
Well, it'd still be observational. I think I know what you're talking about. I think I maybe saw something because it sounds very familiar. Like very recently, I think I may have seen Anthony talking about how these two tribes intermarried, and I'm not sure of what the result was that he was talking about after they intermarried in terms of what happened to their offspring.
Mm.
But yeah, when it comes to just observing intermarried um tribes, I guess you could say, it would still be an observation.